This video is designed to show you the steps involved in registering and joining a PetXI Live Power Up webinar session. You will first receive a pre-registration email. If you do have any issues during the process, you are provided with a webinar admin email to contact for any support. You will then receive an email from a webinar admin. Click the green button to register for the webinar. Please note the important reminder about which email address to use when registering. You will then be taken to the registration page where you will register for the session. Please type in your name and email address, taking care to enter your email address correctly. Please double check the spelling of your email address to ensure there are no typos. You will then be shown a confirmation to show your registration has gone through to our training team for approval. Provided your registered email is on our list for the session, our trainers will then approve you for the session. You will receive this confirmation email with the green Join Webinar button. Please note the password for the webinar is provided here. Make a note of this as you will need it to gain entry into the webinar room. If you click the Join Webinar link before the webinar has been started, you will see the following window. If the webinar has already started, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Please ensure you type this in correctly. You will now enter the webinar room with our trainers and the other attendees.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you soon.